Shida zawe ni nko kubipa n'akajeste kamwe byose nkabikemura. Oh yeah, hari ikidasanzwe nkubonamo, neither your smile nor your body, but I can't explain it for ya. Maybe I've been broke because of you, or I've been